Hi, this is another video on tricks for Zippo lighters. This one is called the bar slide, and I'll show you how to do that, and then I'll demonstrate for you. Basically, it's how it says it. It's a bar slide. So, say if one of your mates needs a lighter or something, you just slide it down to him. If it's normally on a bar surface, that works. Anyway, so this is how you do it. So you open it as normal, however you want to. And then you just get your finger, whatever finger, and you hold down on the wheel, and then you slide it, and if you've got a right angle, it should slide where you want it to go. So yeah, if you have a flat surface, like a slippery surface, it will go further. Because I've got a grippy surface, it goes a bit lighter. So, alright, thanks for watching, please comment and subscribe.